Hello everyone, today we're going to trade starting from $33 using two tools, the Alligator indicator and the MACD oscillator. We're also going to take into account the trends, the important levels for the price and other aspects of technical analysis. So make sure to watch this video to the end and find out if I will be able to make $8,000. In order not to miss more useful and interesting information, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment, and press the bell. Also, don't forget that you can get free trading signals from me. Just send me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram, and I will add you to my close community, and you will make money with me. Check the link in the description. Now let's find the first entry point. We see that the market is dominated by a downward movement, so it would be good to open a trade for breaking through the level of support and possible going back. And also considering that the green moving average of Alligator crossed the other two lines from top to bottom, and on the MACD, the main line similarly begins to cross the signal one, open a trade for $33 for the price fall for 1 minute. And we see that there was a breakdown of the level of support, and the first trade brings us a profit. So we see that the price returns for the broken level of support. The indicators show an upcoming price increase, so I'll try to take some upward movement, and on the growing green candle, open a trade for $61 for 1 minute. After a minute, we see that the chart has grown well from our entry point, so we made money again. The scenario of the previous trade remains relevant since after a small pullback, the price continues to rise. The moving average of MACD continues to move above zero, and on the Alligator, the green moving one is again located above the rest. So I open a trade for price raise for $112 for 1 minute. And I see that the price has not increased much, but it was enough to make money. Then we see that on the Alligator, the green moving average crosses the other two from top to bottom. So most likely there will be a price fall. On the MACD, the histogram of red columns is drawn below zero, and the main line also crosses the signal line from top to bottom. And considering that there's the level of support nearby that the price can test, I opened a trade for $208 for 1 minute. So we see that my scenario worked perfectly, so we made money again. The price has already reached the level of resistance twice without fixing higher. After the second test of this level, the chart went lower and perhaps will test the level of support before going up again. We see that the MACD lines are below the zero level. At the same time, the main green moves below the signal one. And on the Alligator, some time ago, the green line crossed the other two from top to bottom, and the distance between them increases. I think that this is a good moment to open a trade for a fall in the exchange rate for $384 for 2 minutes. Okay, there is a breakdown of the level of support, but we still managed money on this movement. So let's find the next entry point. After testing of the level of support, the price went up. The Alligator's green moving average moves above the other ones, and the MACD lines are in the upper zone, while the green one is above the signal one. In such a case, I open a trade for $711 for further price raise for 1 minute. And we see that the chart has grown a little in the minute and will make a profit. Here we see that the price continues its growth while breaking through the level of resistance. On the Alligator, the distance between the moving averages increases significantly, and all of them are directed upwards, which indicates an increase in the bullish trend. On the MACD, the moving average continues to move above zero. At the same time, the main line is also higher than the signal line. Taking into account all these indicators, I open a trade for further price raise for a total of $1,315 for 1 minute. Get your hands up. Wow, we see that the trade closes above our entry point, so we make a profit. But let's find the next entry point. A downtrend formed in the market. The price traded from the level of support and may soon turn around. I see that the main MACD line has been moving above the signal line for some time, while moving away from it. On the alligator, the green moving average intersects with the other two from the bottom up. All this indicates an upcoming price increase, so I want to take at least a small upward movement and open a trade for the total amount of the deposit for 1 minute. Excellent! The chart went above my entry point, which brings me a profit. We had a price reversal. The moving average of alligator is directed upwards, and the green one is located above the others. The MACD lines also move quite high from the zero level, and the signal line crosses the main one from the bottom up. Therefore, on the growing green candle, I open a trade for the amount of the entire deposit for further price raise for 1 minute. And I see that although the growth was very small, we managed to make a profit. As you can see, I already have $8,416 on my deposit. My goal for today is fulfilled, so I finish my trading and leave the market. As you can see, using two indicators in your trading, not only interesting, but more importantly, profitable. So if you've never used this approach, try it and tell me in the comments about your experience. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment and press the bell. This is very important for me. Also, if you want to get free trading signals from me, just send me the code word team to my private messages Telegram and I will add you to my closed community where you can make money with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.